Hey everybody, and welcome back to Live Between Paychecks Kitchen. I'm Oz. Jack and Lady still like Jackson because social distancing. And you can tell this one's different because I'm filming in the daytime. Mostly my sleep schedule's been screwed since the freeze. So yeah, we're going to do this. And my oven still doesn't work from the freeze. So we're going to do another Crockpot recipe, man. This is going to be great. Before we get into it, be sure to like, share, subscribe, ring the little bell to get the notifications. We very much appreciate that. Also check the link down, the doobly-doo that's going to have a link down to our merch. We got aprons and fake hands and spoons and spatulas and all kind of stuff. Check that out. We very much appreciate it because we're a small business. This is how we do our stuff. And let's just get into it. You're going to need about a pound of chicken. This is half of what we had the other day. You're going to need about 4 ounces of cream cheese, which is basically just half. You can kind of see where it's marked on the bottom of the package. 2 cups of barbecue sauce. Stubs. Around here is the best you can get. That's what we always use. You're going to need about half an onion. Whatever color onion you want. Garlic, it's up to you. I use a whole lot because I can. And then one of these 20-ounce things of the pineapple chunks. You can find the size down there with the juice and all. You can use a full pineapple if you need to, but you won't have all the juice stuff that you're trying to get out of that. So, your onion, get it nice and skinned. You can cut it in half, even though I had a little bitty short onion. Just go ahead and give it a rough chop. Just cut it one way, turn it, cut it the other way. Done. Now throw all that into the crock pot. Be sure to get the ones that try to escape down into the grill thing. Go ahead and do the same thing with your garlic. Just cut it up as best you can. Just run under the blade without getting your finger under there as best you can. Just cut it up in small pieces as you can. I wouldn't call that anything other than chopped, I guess. Now your chicken. I got these the breast tenderloin things here. Well, yeah, I'm going to go ahead and cut them a little thinner just to say I got just like chicken strip kind of things. And again, I'm just throwing all this stuff in the crock pot. I'm not going to add any other base other than the pineapple stuff, so that's going to be nice and tangy. Cream cheese, again, just throw it in there. Don't even have to cut it. Your pineapple, well, it's got plastic on it. It's child-proof because you don't want them overdosing on pineapple, I guess. Yeah, I can't see how this would go horribly wrong. I can't get the plastic, so just dump the whole thing in there. Pineapple chunks, juice, whatever, and try to get you 2 cups of your barbecue sauce here. I hate pouring it into the measuring cup and then into the thing because I feel like I'm wasting that stuff that's in the measuring cup. So go ahead and put that right on top. Now, this shows that I put it on high. I should have put it on low. I went back, now put it on for 6 hours, just let it cook. Now this is after 6 hours of cooking. When you stop and let it chill for a minute, it thickens up. This is great. Put it on a bed of rice. You want it? I just put it in a straight up bowl, man. Like I just ate it. I was also going to try it on a bed of like mashed potatoes or something. This is really good. It very much tastes almost like Asian food, like Chinese food kind of stuff. But this is really good. You're going to probably add a little bit of the jerk chicken stuff, get the same thing there. But this is actually really good. It's quick. It's just whatever's left in the fridge, and I had to throw it in the crock pot real quick. I didn't want anything going off because of the freeze. So, yeah, try this. Let me know what you think. And there you have it, man. Again, this is one of those things you need to start in the morning or early because it takes a good couple hours to cook. Low, remember, it was low. I started on high. But yeah, if you do it differently, you'd like to see it done differently, you want to know how to do this without the cream cheese that didn't make any sense. But, hey, that's what the recipe called for. But if you want to see it done differently, you want to see us try it differently, put it in the comments, man. Let us know. Also, you can take and put it over on any of our social media stuff. You can find us on Facebook, Pinterest, Patreon. You can find us at all those at Live Between Paychecks Kitchen. You can also find us on Instagram at Live In Between. And I'll see you next time, man.